Right-click on the area where you want to place the character and select Place Here. Your character will appear in a scene. Then click on an area where you want to move your character and select Move Here. Your character will start walking. Cool, right? Now check super cool stuff by placing another character in a scene. Right-click on the first character and select the cuff option. Check. Your animation is already created. Even a kid can animate with the help of this software. Let's check in a detail.
Hello guys, Salman Naseem here. In today's tutorial, we'll see how to create an animated movie with the help of one of most easiest animation software. The tool name is Moviestorm Filmmaker, and once you will open that, you will see the window like this. We have few samples with few options. We will click on a new movie. There are few full-fledged movies which were created with the help of Moviestorms. You can check the quality of that software just by clicking on it. So as a beginner, I'll prefer to click on empty movie. In the next window, the Moviestorm give us few sets to start the work. We can choose from these sets, or if not, we'll click on empty set or extra large set. Both are almost same, but I'll prefer to click on market scale. That will bring me to the set. If I want to check the set, we'll just drag here and there, or with the help of right mouse button we can rotate anywhere, and with the help of left mouse button we can select and change the size or location. So that window is a kind of properties for almost every object, which has different options depending on props. On the top side, we have few windows that are the steps which allow us to create a full-fledged movie. The first one is workshop, which allow us to create whole model or whole environment. The second one is a dressing room, which allow us to create the characters and dress them. And the third one is a director view and a camera work, and lastly the cutting room. We'll check all of these in this video. On the left side we have few options which are very important, especially with the chair logo, that is on add objects, which will take us to the props. There's 100 of props available within Moviestorm that's come by default. If you want extra props, you can buy it from Moviestorm site. For example, if I want to add a car, I'll just go there and search for a car. There are few number of cars available over here. I'll just click on that and bring the car to there. Okay, there are few options for the car, like if I want to reduce the person to D1, or add the lady or 2 persons, like that. I can adjust these kind of stuff. Plus, if I want to change the location of the car, we can change it with the help of these sliders by enabling over here. And I think that is enough, because we already have these sets, and I think it is much better to bring my car to that location. So I'll just select the car and enable the manipulator and bring it to here. So we'll go for second option, which is a dressing room, which allow us to create a character for that particular scene. We have numbers of options available for the costumes. If I select that one, that will automatically appear on that character. We can name our character. We can randomize it with few more options. The most important button is a character list. If I click on that, currently we have only one character. If I click on a plus button, that means allow us to add another character. I'll just go there and add this one and click on OK. Now if I go there are 2 characters. If I want to add more, I'll just click on add characters. Otherwise, I'll just click on choose character. So currently my character is there. I'll have to go to the director view, which is very important. Click OK. Now the most important time for the animation is start, which involves the character animation. Right click on a location where you want to place the character. Click on place it here, and we'll have the character, and bring your mouse to that location where you want your character to go there. Just right click over here and select move here, your character is automatically start moving to that location, and that animation is already saved over there. We'll just bring our cursor back to the one, and we'll select our second character, that is the girl one. Right click on that location, we'll place that over here, and we'll move that to there also. So we want both of them to add a same location. We'll just click on that, and we can customize their walk. That means if I just customize the speed a little bit, that will bring our girl almost at the same time when our star reach to that location. So we'll just cross this, and you can check. In the next phase, we can just click on that, and we have number of options available. Like even if I want to change the posture to the lie down, that means our character will be lie down over there, and that animation is also already saved. And again, if I go furthermore and just click on our star and change the posture to the duck, so you can see that our animation is already saved over there. So there are a number of more options available. Like if I have selected a star and click on a girl, right, Risha, and click on Risha, right click on Risha, and we have options to point it, or even look at it, and number of more options if they are at a standing position. We can see that, you can see that is like pointing over there. So I'll not waste more time over there. We'll just jump to the camera work. That is also a very user friendly options over there. The Moviestorm automatically save few scenes for us. We'll just have to click on that. We can choose from the scene we want to see what it look like. Just go there. You can see that it is showing like that. So we don't want our camera to be placed there. We'll just bring our mouse to these lines, which are the orange lines, and change the camera angle. Even we can rotate it if you want. So I think that angle is a good one. We'll just click on that, delete the old one from there, and that will delete the old camera animation which comes by default. You can see that our character is moving there, and currently these things are happening. So on that particular scene, if I want to change the camera angle, I'll just click on that again and zoom out as we did before, and rotate it from there, and place the cut over there. So from there our camera angle will automatically change. So currently what Moviestorm is doing, that bringing from the old cut to the new one. So we'll go there and adjust that one also, and click jump camera to that view. So that way our first scene look like that. From that angle I'll change the camera again. I'll bring that one again to here, and I'll place the marker over here. So if you see the cut one over there, that means the camera angle remains same, so that angle change without transitions. So once everything is done, we'll just go on a final stage for a cutting room. In a cutting room, we'll just have to bring all the scene we have already created. Just bring that over here, and we'll have the Moviestorm will adjust our timeline for that. In a cutting room, you will have ability to add the audio. You can record it or import it from the outside. Also you can add the titles and credits. For example, if I want to add the titles in a beginning, that will show something like that. So if I'll go there and write it down test movie and click on OK. You will see that before the start of movie it's look like that. Same goes for videos and images also. If you want to add a particular video or an image, technically our movie is already created, but we'll just have to render it. In a Moviestorm, it's called a publisher view. In a starting, that option is disabled, but once we reach the cutting room, the publisher view is enabled, and we'll just go there. And here we have few options. Movie resolution, currently it's giving us a 720p. We'll just go for that, and we'll name it a test movie.
So that's the easiest way to create an animated or a cartoon movie. I will be linking up the course in a description for those who wanted to become a master of it, and a few animated cartoon samples created with the help of Moviestorm. Thanks for watching.